So in our garage, we have not only one, not two, but three go-karts. That's Razor. This is another Razor. The third Razor. And they are just like lying on the ground, taking a whole lot of space. That's really not good. So that's why I'm making this Go Kart Rack storage. Just want to have a thorough quick idea about this Go Kart Rack. So the idea is that at the bottom you build a storage space that's enough to hold the bottom of this cart. And when it's stored, it's standing upright with a slight slanted angle, right? It's resting on this stick like that. And it has this cross section that it allows the go-kart to rest on, right? And then finally, for extra layer of security, you use a bungee rope to tie these.
The 3D model is free for download on my website makerdaddiy.net. Feel free to go there and check it out.
阳光洒在沙滩上，我们手牵着手，清凉的海风吹来，烦恼都抛到脑后。音乐在耳边响起，心情随之舞动。这个夏天的旅行是我们的梦。夏日的旅程让我们忘记所有，阳光和海浪让爱情自由流动。在这美丽的时光，我们勇敢追逐，一起探索这世界，爱无限延续。夜晚的星空璀璨，我们坐在篝火旁，诉说着心底的秘密，笑声响着夜空，天边的霞光溅起，新的一天来临。
This guy is from Harbor Freight, super cheap. I remember less than 20 or 10 bucks. So I'm gonna use the caster wheel for that guy. Let's do that. Simply use bungee rope, right? Like that, and then push this, then drop down. Then pull it out, right? Like that. Then you're good to go. And when you're ready to park it, so. Right. Be careful. Otherwise, this kind of rub it right off. Okay. And voila, there you go.